Let's make Turkish lamb pides. This pizza-like Turkish fast food has a flavorful base and delicious toppings. Pide sounds like a fancy word, isn't it? Well, the Turkish lamb pide is nothing but a kind of Turkish pizza. So let's see how to make it. First, I'll make the stuffing. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 heaped tablespoon minced garlic. Saute for a minute. Now I'm going to add 1 cup chopped onion. Saute till it becomes translucent. And to this I am adding 500 grams of mutton keema. You can also use chicken or beef. Give this a nice mix. Now let's add the spices. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon sumak, 1 tablespoon tikka masala, half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Mix this nicely. Goes in 1 cup tomatoes, some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now roast this keema as much as you can, till water absorbs. At this stage, switch off the flame and set this aside. In a small mug, add 1.5 teaspoon instant yeast, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 cup lukewarm water. Mix well. Cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. Add 3 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Goes in half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon oil. Mix well. And then I'm going to add the yeast mixture. Mix this nicely. Now gradually add 1/4 cup warm water and knead until the dough is formed. And now cover and let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. Now grease your hands with oil and knead the dough again until smooth. Now take the dough and make equal size of balls. Sprinkle some flour on working surface. And now I'm going to roll out in round shape. Use any round lid to cut it in a small equal round shape. Now place keema. Fold on the sides. Grease the baking tray before you place the pides. You can also roll out in oval shape. Now place keema, spread evenly, and then I'm going to fold the edges, sides to make a boat shape. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon butter and 1 egg. Mix nicely and apply it on the sides and edges of the dough. Sprinkle some nigella seeds or sesame seeds. If you want, you can also add some cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese on top. And now preheat oven at 200 Celsius and bake these pies for 20 minutes until golden brown. Once cool, cut into slices and serve. I was super happy to get a beautiful puffed up soft side of the base. It looked and tasted amazing. So guys, give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Follow for more short recipes and updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.